hair salon operators who are here. I congratulate you and thank you for the service.
Mbayoza era mbebaza olw'omulimu gwe mutuusaako mu ggwanga lino.
In the colonial times, there was some threat to African identity, that Africans were not beautiful, they had to be like whites in order to be beautiful. But that one we fought, and we asserted African beauty. And the African cultures here in this part of the world appreciate, if you take women, they appreciate all the colors. That figure you suggested can be raised in a year. The 100 million per SACCO, and the SACCOs are 850. And then the issue of the workspace, that one we shall support you.
Ku nsonga ey'ekifo we mukolera ekyo muzeeyi agambye agenda kubawagira.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.